Students, welcome to revision class ELGA 4. In this class, we will revise Unit 6 and name of our unit is Monuments of India. So, let's start with the phonics section. So, in phonics, today we are going to revise end blends. In Unit 5, we have already learned what are blends. So some blends which we can use at the end of the word, these blends are called end blends. Like ST, stir blend as in nest. As in nest, stir blend is used at the end. Similarly, skr blend, skr as in mask. Spur as in crisp. And D as in hand. T as in tent. K as in blank. P as in lamp. T as in belt. K as in milk. Similarly, end digraphs. As we have read about end blends, similarly end digraphs, these digraphs are used at the end of the word as t, ch digraph as in watch, k as in clock. So let's move towards the exercise related to these blends. So use the end blends and fill the correct option in the blanks. So here is a picture of a nest. So we have to choose the correct blend. Here we will use skr blend or stir blend. So here this we spell nest at the end. It sounds like stir. So we will use stir blend. Nest. Wasp. Wasp. So here is the sound of spur blend. Wasp. It is the tusk of an elephant. So tusk sound as at last it sounds as sk. So we will use skr blend. Tusk. Waist. West. So west also at the end sounds as stir. So we will use stir blend. Then there is a picture of two friends. So friend. Here at the end the sound is nd. So we will use nd blend and d. So we will use nd blend and write friend. T, n, t, tent. Next is, this is a picture of an ink pot. So we will use the blend I-N-K. So we will use the blend N-K. Ink sound as N-K. So we will use N-K blend. Next is a picture of a hand. So we will use hand sounds as N-D at the end. So we will use N-D blend. So we will write N-D at the end and the word become hand. Now let's do the activity for end digraphs. So the first is, it is a picture of a lock. So lock sounds as k at the end, not ch. So we will use CK blend. L-O-C-K is lock. It is a picture of a watch. So we will write watch. Ch. Ch sound is TCH. So we will write TCH blend digraph here and the word become watch. Next is clock. So we will write the CK blend digraph. Then stitch. We are with the needle we stitch something. So stitch, it sounds as ch. So we will use the TCH digraph. Let's move towards our next section, that is the whole words section. So in whole words, these are the whole words which came in this unit. So let's read them together and revise the spellings also. HIS, his. Repeat after me. HIS, his. BACK, back. BACK, back. WARM, warm. WARM, warm. TOGETHER, together. TOGETHER, together. TYPE, type. TYPE, type. USED, used. USED, used. COLOUR, color. COLOUR, color. SEEN, seen. SEEN, seen. TOOK, took. TOOK, took. USUAL, usual. USUAL, usual. THAN, then. THAN, then. QUITE, quiet. QUITE, quiet. FRONT, front. FRONT, front. MUST, must. MUST, must. EVERY, every. EVERY, every. SURE, sure. SURE, sure. THESE, these. THESE, these. WRITE, right. WRITE, right. CHANGE, change. CHANGE, change. SUCH, such. SUCH, such. So these are the whole words. You have to learn the spellings, as these whole words will come as a dictation in your paper as well. Next section is the grammar section. Singular and plural nouns. So in grammar, first of all, we will revise singular and plural nouns. So let's see what are these singular nouns. Singular nouns refers to one person, place or thing. When we talk about only one thing, only one person, only one place, these nouns are called singular nouns. Plural nouns. Plural nouns refer to more than one person, place or thing. Like when plural nouns we use, these are used for more than one person. So here I can explain you again, like if there is only one cat, so we will call it singular. There are many cats, more than one, so we will call it plural nouns. So when we can change the singular noun to the plural noun by adding S. Add an S at the end of the word. We add s at the end of the word and we can make it plural. Like one cat and two cats. One bird and two birds or more birds. If the word ends with, if there is a word and it is ending with s, sh, ch or x, then we use es to make the word plural. Like box. Box has x at the end. So we will add es at the end to make box plural as boxes. Many boxes. So we will write es at the end to make this word plural. Similarly in dish, one dish. Dish has sh at the end. So we will use es to change singular into plural. Dish, dishes. So next word is lens. Lens has s at the end. So we will also change it by using es at the end. Lenses. Many lenses. One watch. Watch has ch at the end. So this also we will change with es by putting es at the end. Watch, watches. If the word ends with a consonant means not a vowel, like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. These are consonants. If the word ends with a consonant plus Y, so we will remove that Y, we will cut that Y and add IES in place of Y to end at the end of the word. For example, butterfly. Here, butterfly ends with Y and before Y there is a consonant L. So we will remove this Y from butterfly and in place of Y we will add IES. Butterflies. One butterfly, and when we cut this Y and make it IES, then it will become butterflies. So when sometimes we use s at the end, sometimes we use es at the end when the word is ending with s, sh, ch or x. If a word is ending with y but before the y there is a consonant, then we will change the word and we will write IES in place of Y to make the word plural. Let's do some exercise to revise it. Read the sentences, write if the underlined word is singular or plural. Means there are some words underlined in the sentence and you have to tell this the underlined word is singular or plural. So let's see. The first is two girls were sleeping. So here word girls is given. So tell me, girls is a singular word or a plural word? Girls. Girls are plural. So we will write plural here. Similarly, next is Meera plays with doll. So Meera is a girl who plays with doll. Here underlined word is doll. So you tell me the doll is a singular word or a plural word? It is a singular word because it is one only. So we will write singular over here. Right. Let's see towards the next word. So here the next sentence is my friends came to see me yesterday. We are talking about many friends. Friends, not friend. Friend is singular and friends. Friends is plural. Friends is a plural word. So we will write plural here. Understood? Let's move towards the next part of grammar section. Next exercise related to this singular and plural forms is box. Means change the singular noun to the plural form. Means here singular nouns are written and you have to change these singular nouns into plural nouns, right? Like box. Box is one box only and many boxes. Cat, one cat, and we have to change it to many cats. Similarly, watch. Now watch has ch at the end, so we will write es at the end. Dish, dish has sh at the end, so we will write es and make it dishes. Here fly, fly has y at the end, so we will cut y and in place of y we will add ies and make it flies. There is one fly and many flies. Baby, baby also has a consonant before y, so we will convert this also. So we will remove y and in place of y we will add ies and the word will become babies. Many babies. Right? I hope you have understood this topic. So let's move towards the next topic. Next is collective nouns. Collective nouns. So can you tell me what are collective nouns? Collective nouns are special words for group of people, animals, places or things. Collective nouns are special words for group of people, animals, places or things. Means collective nouns are special words. We give some special words to some group of nouns. So group of people, like group of animals, group of places, to understand or to call them easily. Like let's see some examples to understand it more better. Collective nouns, like a class of students. Whenever we are sitting in a class, so everybody calls us a class. Many students are there who are learning something and teacher is teaching. When we call a group of students a class, so when there is a group of students, so we call it a class. Similarly, elephants. When elephants move together, many elephants move together, we call it a herd of animal. When a group of elephants is moving together, we call it a herd of animals. Like when we are playing together, many children or many people playing together, a group of players, so we call it a team of players. We call it a team of players. Next is many bananas are together, so we call it a bunch of bananas. A bunch of bananas. Similarly, when many musicians are, musician who play guitar, drum or sing, right? So we call them a band of musicians, right? We call it a band of musicians. Like when we are in together, like mother, father, children, so we call it a family of people. Family of people. Then many cards are together, so the whole packet of the cards is called a pack of cards. When many children are studying or playing together, so we call it a group of kids. When many children are playing or reading or studying together, many kids are there, so we call it a group of kids. sheep are grazing together. Many sheep are there, so we will call it a flock of sheep. Let's do an activity to understand this. Fill in the blanks with the correct collective noun. Here is a box given, help box is given. You have to choose the correct collective noun and fill it in the blank. There are many books in a dash. So where there are many books, we call that place a library. So we will choose library from the box and write it. Then a dash of birds were flying in the sky. So when there are many birds flying together, we call it a flock of birds. We call it a flock of birds. So we will choose a flock word from here and write it in the blank. Third is a dash of players won the match. So who plays match together? Many players are playing. So group of players is called a team. So we will write team. We will choose team from the box and write it here. Then Sonu saw a dash of cows. Sonu saw a herd of cows. Group of cows is known as herd of cows. So we will write herd in the blank. Let's move towards the next topic. Next topic is gender nouns. Gender means when we differentiate between boy or girl, may so we call boy male and girl female. So these are genders, male or female. So like man, and the female noun gender for man is woman. Then father, father's female gender is mother. Son, daughter. Uncle, aunt. Husband, wife. Grandfather, grandmother. King, queen. Similarly, there are some animal genders also, like bull. A bull's female gender is cow. Tiger, tiger's female gender is tigress. Lion, lion's female gender is lioness. So let's do an activity to understand it. Right? So first is write the matching gender for the nouns. Boy, boy's female gender is girl. Son, son's female gender is daughter. Son means beta. So beti, daughter means beti. Mother, mother's female gender is male gender is. Now here mother is the female gender. So we will write the male gender of mother. So male gender of mother is father. Uncle, aunt, aunt is a female gender and male gender of aunt is uncle. So in this way we will revise these. We have done these genders also. So here up to grammar section we have revised unit 6. In this part of the video we will revise comprehension, reading and listening comprehension section in our next video. Thank you.